Hi, I want to show you how to rearrange apps on home screen on your Google Pixel 9a. So firstly, to add app to the home screen, swipe up to open list of your apps. Find one which you want to add to the home screen, press and hold it, and then drag it to the home screen like this. You can also switch to different page by dragging it across the border, and with this way you will add new page to your phone. So you can add an empty page to the home screen. And now it is my second page. Now to move apps on the home screen, just press and hold one like that and drag to any different place on your page, or again drag to different page, or drag again to create new page. In my case it is third, and then drop it in the place you want to see this app. Now here we got docs as well, so you can move something to this dock panel. You can press and hold anything and drag it to your home page like that. Or you can select something from your app drawer and drag it to the docs like that. And then leave it this way. Now to remove app from the home screen, you need to hold the app and drag it to this option remove. To uninstall, of course, select uninstall, but to remove just from the home screen, drag the app there, and now this item will be removed. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.